the LG V20 is here, and today I'm in a video about the LG V-Flux straight talk. So the LG V-Flux is a new budget phone. For straight talk, this is the same thing as the LG K51, same specs and everything, but it just have a different name. So the model number is L555DL. So yeah, the phone looks very nice. You have teardrop notch for the facing camera, power button a little bit on the right side, line keys on the left. Also, you'll have a Google Assistant key as well on the left side of the phone. So yeah, there's a phone there. Pretty nice, but pretty very colorful and stuff like that. It's kind of interesting that the clock says 555 and the model number is 555. Is kind of interesting. So pretty interesting now. So there's a phone. This is the right side of the phone. Like I said, you do have the power button. You also have your micro SD card and SIM cards all there on the right. And then on the back of the LG V-Flux, you will have triple cameras, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, tripod monitor, and your LG logo there on the back. And the back is made of plastic, I believe. So yeah. The LG V-Flux has 4G LTE Wi-Fi. It does have a 6.5-inch HD Plus display. That is a 720p by 1560 pixel resolution full vision display there, so pretty nice. So big ass screen, so not too bad there. You will have a 13 megapixel rear camera video recorder. So nice there. 18 hours of usage time, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM. Your dimensions on the LG V-Flux: 6.57 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth there. Says here, remarkable design. To the value seekers and great deal getters, you are in the market for a smartphone that accomplishes the essentials. One that looks and feels great, and you also want to make and share memories. So you need a camera that's sharp and quick because life moves fast. LG got you covered. Meet the LG V-Flux there. So yeah. So you can get this phone in three options. If you guys have great credit, it's $687 a month for 24 months. If you guys are like building credit or whatever, it is $17.79 a month for 15 months, and the full retail price $149.99, right? So not too bad. Specs again, like I said, your dimensions: 6.57 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The phone weighs 7.1 ounces, 4,000 mAh battery, 18 hours of usage time, 20.6 days standby time, LTE bands. I think this is Verizon towers in this. And what is included in the box is the LG V-Flux and charger, battery, activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. Of course, in all straight talk phones, and service plan is required for activation. Phones are not returnable or refundable item. Says have one touch unlock fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor helps unlock your phone conveniently and quickly for peace of mind. Storage for your needs, RAM for even to save your biggest memories and favorite apps without having to choose. The perfect shot every time triple camera system. The flexibility to shoot 115 degree super wide angle. Ultimate bokeh. Players are grabbing quick one take. Or grab a quick one take shot and vibrant sharp focus. 4,000 mAh all-day battery, and one more time to talk, press, text, and share confidently with their special people in their life. Vibrant 6.5-inch HD plus full vision display. Deliver best moments in every series and HD rich multimedia experience. So yeah, there you guys have the LG Reflect is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $149.99. So like I said, this is a budget phone. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, price range for your kid or whatever, this is the phone we're looking at. The phones are very nice. All specs on here are decent. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. So yeah, there you guys have the LG Reflect now here at Straight Talk. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me know a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.